Today's featured car of the day is a 1962 Ford Thunderbird sports roadster. This beautiful car was at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it only bid to $35,000, which is a bit of a head scratcher, or it's a real head scratcher, actually. I don't know why it only went that low, but it did have a bad number, so it was just the luck of the draw. And unfortunately, he drew the wrong number as it went through the auction at the wrong time when no buyers were there. So that's why it only went to that price. But the owner, the consigner, his description was totally restored convertible, power windows, swing away steering column, power seats, both driver and passenger, air conditioner, tinted glass, 3 owners since new. It had the 390 engine and a Concours restoration, which it was. It was a beautiful car done to a very high standard. Unfortunately, it had to sit outside for 3 days in the dusty desert air there. With that probably didn't help matters any when he came to pick it up. But anyway, the car was fully loaded. It had every option available except for the tri-power, and they only made 120 of those. This particular one, they made 1,427 of the sports roadsters. So this one was a beauty, though. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.